North of Izmir, where land melts into sea and the wind carries the scent of salt and life, lies a vast and timeless landscape, the Gediz Delta. Formed where the Gediz River meets the Aegean. This wetland stretches over 40,000 hectares, one of the largest and most vital coastal habitats in Turkey. For thousands of years, the river has brought life to these plains here. Here, fresh and salt waters meet, creating a delicate world where everything, from the reeds to the smallest fish, depends on balance. Recognized in 1999 as a Ramsar wetland of international importance, the Gediz Delta is now a sanctuary for more than 300 bird species. When the morning mist lifts, the delta awakens with the sound of wings. Herons stand still among the reeds. Pelicans glide above the water, and seagulls cry in the distance. But among them all, one bird has become the soul of this land: the flamingo. With long necks and soft pink feathers glowing under the Aegean sun, flamingos move gracefully through the shallow lagoons. They feed by sweeping their curved beaks through the mud, filtering tiny crustaceans and algae, the secret behind their vivid color. When thousands of them take flight, the sky blushes pink. Their synchronized wings create a living painting of motion and light, a moment that feels almost otherworldly each year. Each year, flamingos return to the delta to breed. Hundreds of mud nests rise from the salt flats, each sheltering a gray chick learning to stand, to stretch, to dream of flight. The Gediz Delta is one of the few places in Europe where flamingos nest naturally, a miracle of patience, resilience, and trust in nature. But flamingos are not alone. White pelicans, avocets, gray herons, ducks, geese, and terns all share this fragile home. In winter, it becomes a refuge for thousands of migratory birds escaping the frozen lakes of the north at sunset. The golden light reflects across the water, turning the delta into a mirror of fire and tranquility. Here, time slows down. You can almost hear the rhythm of life itself. A reminder that beauty and balance can still exist in harmony with the world around us. Welcome to the Gediz Delta, the paradise of Izmir, the home of flamingos, where the sky and the earth meet to celebrate life.